20 days ago, many of you started this journey with fear. Fear of speaking English, fear of writing essays, fear of IELTS exam, and maybe fear of failure. But look at yourself today. You are still here. You didn't quit, and that already makes you different from thousands of people who started but never finished. Welcome to day 20 of our 30 days challenge. Before learning anything new today, I want you to stop for 1 minute. Think about the person you were 20 days ago. Could you understand listening passages as easily? Could you organize your essays quickly? Did you know so many speaking expressions? Probably not. Progress is often invisible while you are making it. But when you look back, that's when you realize you have improved. Maybe not perfectly, but definitely. And remember, small progress every day becomes huge success over time. Many students fail not because they are weak, they fail because they stop. They study for 3 days, skip 2 weeks, then start again. Learning does not work like that. Fluency, vocabulary, confidence, they all grow through consistency. Just like going to the gym. One workout won't change your body. One day of English won't change your fluency. But 20 days, that's different. Today, learn three connected expressions. Instead of, example, instead of translating every sentence, think directly in English. The more you speak, the more confident you become. It's not until you practice every day that you realize how much you have improved. Practice and repeat after me. Instead of translating every sentence, think directly in English. The more you speak, the more confident you become. It's not until you practice every day that you realize how much you have improved. Today's IELTS speaking and writing topic. Describe a skill you have improved recently. Use the more instead of, it's not until, however. Sample opening may be, over the past few months, I have improved my English speaking skills. Instead of worrying about making mistakes, I started practicing every day. The more I practice, the more confident I become. I would like to tell you something. Whether you are preparing for IELTS, looking for a better job, planning to study abroad, or simply trying to improve your English, please don't give up. Progress is slow. Sometimes it feels like nothing is changing, but one day you will speak a sentence and you will surprise yourself. You will write an essay faster than before. You will understand an English movie without subtitles and you will smile because you will realize every small effort was worth it. I also continue learning every single day. Every lesson I create teaches something new to me. So let's keep learning together. One lesson, one day, one step at a time. Let's have a quick review everything we have learned so far in 19 days. If you have completed all 20 days, I want you to be proud of yourself. You have building a habit that can change your future. We still have 10 more days to go towards more advanced preparation. And I want you to finish this journey with me. If today's lesson motivated you, please like this video, share it with someone who is preparing for IELTS, and subscribe to Sarah and Bonafe's Inspiration. Remember, dream big, stay consistent, and trust the process. I will see you in day 21.